To increase the productivity of your workflow, creating templates in CapCut desktop app is the best thing to do. If you want to learn how to create templates in CapCut, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's go. So there are two ways to do this. The first way is going over to the left-hand side and creating a video that you would like to use as a template. So I'm going to go into stock material. And from here, I'm going to choose a video that I'd like to use. We can now go over to text, and we can add some default text right over here, or any other style of choice. From here, you have the option to, of course, edit your text so you can change what it says from the font, the size, and the way it looks and feels. Once we're done here, we can add any other type of element that we want, such as a sticker, or if you have any other video that you would like to add in here, or audio, you can add this now. The next thing you want to go ahead and do is go over to export and export this video, and now you can use this template every single time you want to create a new video. If it is an intro or an outro, you can just lay it over the current project that you're busy with. One of the other ways that you can create templates in CapCut is actually going to specific elements such as text. Now, as you can see, if I click on intro template here, which is my text, I'm going to go down to the right hand side right at the bottom of this window, and it says save as preset. Now basically what we do here is click this, and the next time we open up a project, you will find this in text, and over here you will find it in presets. So this means you can reuse this text template or preset the next time you open up a project in CapCut. Now, if this was a helpful guide, please do drop us a like, share it with a friend, and we'll see you next time, creators. Peace out.